Momentum is a vector quantity that represents the product of the object's mass and velocity. Most people think that momentum is just how fast something is moving, but there's a lot more to it than that. Just like we can measure the mass of something, we can also measure the mass of our team, our traditions, our beliefs, and how we create sustainability. Together, these add to our mass. Whether we're cleaning up our community, showing off our robot to more than 40,000 people each year in the Grand Blanc Homecoming Parade, introducing a whole school of kids to STEM, or increasing our recruitment efforts to more than 2,470 students and 125 staff at Grand Blanc High School. We are adding velocity, controlling the direction that we head in. We're earning globally recognized honors through our chapter of the International Robotics Honor Society, making us a point of pride for our school. We are making a difference. We support the Michigan Advocacy Conference. Whether it's our lead mentor, Randy, as a keynote speaker, or visiting our representatives' offices, we're helping bring over $5.4 million in funding to our state. Momentum is a product of our mass and velocity. Simply put, it's where who we are meets what we do. That's why you'll find us raising funds for Hurley Children's Hospital in Flint at our Extra Life Marathon each year, pulling over 2 million taps for the Ronald McDonald House in honor of faith, and teaching PAWS, Hands-on STEM, a 4-week after-school robotics program for kids in kindergarten through 1st grade. FIRST Robotics is changing our students' direction in life, turning us into young professionals by growing our leadership skills through year-bound robotics programs, practice, and hard work. Our momentum isn't created by accident. It's made possible by 19 generations of EngiNERDs who all believe that there is a place for everyone, and FIRST is the direction we take to get there. We are using our mass and our velocity to create a movement that's impossible to stop. We are building momentum for the future.